Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little different because I want to share with you a story that I think is really inspiring. It's about a guy named John who was addicted to social media but was able to turn his life around by learning about making money online. This story is a reminder that no matter where you are in life, it's never too late to make a positive change. John had always been a social media addict. He would spend hours every day scrolling through his newsfeed, checking out pictures of his friends and family and catching up on the latest viral trends. He enjoyed it so much that he never thought about the consequences of his actions. One day, as he was scrolling through his feed, he came across a post about a guy who was making a lot of money online. John was intrigued and decided to click on the link. He was surprised to find that the guy was making $860 a day by running his own Google site. John couldn't believe it. He had always wanted to make a lot of money, but he had never thought it was possible without working hard. He had never considered making money online before, but this guy had piqued his interest. As he continued to read the post, he realized that he had wasted so much time scrolling through social media. He had spent countless hours watching cat videos and reading memes, but had nothing to show for it. He felt a pang of regret wash over him. He knew he had to take action. He spent the next few weeks learning everything he could about creating a Google site and making money online. He read blogs, watched videos, and even took an online course. Finally, he was ready. He created his own Google site and started posting content. At first, it was slow going, but he didn't give up. He kept working hard and eventually, he started to see some results. Within a few months, he was making a few $100s a day. Then, a few months after that, he hit the $860 mark. John couldn't believe it. He had gone from wasting his time on social media to making more money than he ever thought possible. As he looked back on his life, he realized that the regret he had felt before was now gone. He had made a positive change and was now living the life he had always wanted. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the story of John and how he was able to overcome his addiction to social media and make a positive change in his life. If you're feeling stuck or unsure about your future, remember that there is always hope and opportunities for growth. Don't be afraid to take a chance and try something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring stories and helpful tips on personal growth and development. See you in the next video.